Okay, we can get on with the program and hopefully we'll have a nice time here today. Um, yeah, Mr. Yaya, thank you. I'm going to Balbe Bismillah to yet another episode of just coming up in Kajarik. Kulbu Nyokono, Bari Gambia lam saying, no nene banko get older than kanyone kanyotinya kanyola kanyonga basically with on faniakan political kana suti ay wala moy so marako bi mbe na kana specific kacala jang menkata um, some information ti wodol mene fintita from talib ben sudan ala mul menkata UMCT anila ila newspaper ka fame liberal times elo nga dan daralo ke ni liberal times jande kabrin ya commencé ko tege ngalo ni be menna ngada nada nga live ke jang ka foy ko ya you know uh, basically kutala Gambia barama kukuta den don nyako to we've seen these things before ibe political pour kam kila opponent do ba finke ka bubbero la ita e mabo akana keteti understand ye fan finke ko mi newspaper create you know sort of a newspaper or like a blog or something um ye fan ko mi tamala be kene budi ko use wala kala kilo ke jama jama ALM wala ye mo so den the background mina ko mo melo mo tira face jela mo ta fa ne be liberal times ko man ne be for BB nyaade la mala bara Najala. None of those guys are real things, but they be operate but they go mole so you find like credible news sites. So they build their following build to a point, and then I'm saying they are like a perfect actual news site. Sorry, cool mulona. After kami tapaliani mfanya afola ya mantrafen, So all dol mol sobin wala la kabring months ago ko be nakanne ne kela be agina nyi kafria sifala jile bala be mol to nyala be mol tuma la fon la be fon la fila mol mo tala membe comme ala nyi ko kere fatu ngalon ko facturel be je ko di yo so fofa den ka facture ka fence fofa den safe facture be mira la ko at tole be je ala credibility on the line nim membe fi ngala isate atuno ko isa approach no ni na ko facture network same thing huh? Ni na ko atuno ko is ni na ko let's say, I don't know, point newspaper or standard, you know who you're dealing with. Monde be koma, editor be koma. But in liberal times, for BB, Malo, Bloom, whatever nonsense, nobody knows who they are, and then they're just out there like causing havoc. But they very much I knew what they were trying to do, so I did try to warn people about it. So again, for Janimbe Jamfala, please, Ale Makwe, Ale program on share, minima Kalamuta. Even though I don't know, I made a announcement later on earlier on Banyabra. You may cancel this share, please. I remain that could follow it and just help me and share it. Moja masa asi alat no. Okay, I highly appreciate that. So yeah. So that's just one of those things. Like I said, liberal times. That's what they do. Momalo, well, moja mamalo, but model sobitala ko. There are people many be um, many be koma je many be understand dating work okay kan for talib but ala mol 100% by tol kabitol na tola do ko keda minute wala ka BSc attack ka UDP attack ka han talibi ko han talibi to da yala fempos aja so they are like a perfect you know they are like a perfect funko lam for I don't know for funko for um a political witch hunt, or like what I call political hit jobs. So ye mabujana ye fanki komi tamaita credible municipality, but then you are always taking your time trying to, you know, Kamodo Nondi, Kamodo Tinya 24/7. You never come across with any credible news. Nyetela maje ko talib jitale talib wotala talib lotale put it. That's all we do. So then the rest of the time is about insulting, castigating, and then going after people. So what can I latest from in this episode? Um, in episode with let's say whatever the sorry. Anyway, yeah. So exactly. Kobe, another one of those episodes. You like a kunu. Ni ajibe beden liberal times ya for ila karamo sise la man of the KMC ila finance committee so called chairman member gato mo spell no falol men be ko sifal wala BS la chairman committee finance committee chair ajal wo wultani story wulta understand ina bije ko tan obviously la kimo boja nyol fana be jasaka so you can see the link right liberal times and stuff no other newspaper in this Gambia wrote that kind of story liberal times lam bada bada je ala moya chance min kata the Karamo Sise talenting and then amplifying it fanambala jimbo of alaje so you can see the link easily they are not very intelligent people they are very stupid people fellow even their boss because the commission actually showed you who Talib is intellectually. It's not somebody that you really, can hang your head on intellectually. Quite unfair. So they are not smart people. They don't know how to play this game. They think they know. They are maybe more halfway. Okay, can you get it? But when it comes down to it, it's easy. Think just like the whole Marine thing. I love the Marine thing. The survey was done. Blah blah. But for some reason, the survey just magically happened to come out less than 24 hours after Talib signing the Funkweni. So we exposed it beyond, that they could even understand. So these are just some of the amateur mistakes, kunim baliani experience balia ani ya mere ya yalo minya na danger so kunim balia ko wala ite mon kuning ila karamang jamva but ya mere smarter. So you take a more maybe cool foga and then you just okay man tam muna definitely tough. So they know how to do all these things, but they constantly getting exposed for their I don't know for their I mean, they men that they are not sophisticated. You understand? So these are easy things. I don't normally mean liberal time Kemo should just shut his mouth, you understand? Or Karamo should just shut his mouth. Act like Ataman Fankalam they are entering the liberal time. But no. Ni a parasunya to fana paras da pirim param. Musu kuntero fana be wurla labedo. Um before share attending ko BSc julota. Yala ala la cool. Ala bika kujak every time nata bala duko e camera beti nyaro and so it all ya wuli men kama another opportunity le di ke ka chance di into si falla men na manan na kon ka KMC la kula fu jang la finance or anything like that ko jamale la ko I know a lot of their financial issues s- staff salary delay la jana param all these things but I didn't feel like that was necessary for me, you understand. you know I'm not even it wasn't like something meaningful I find joy in that or I should even be wasting my time talking about another council's financial woes because went in a family as a politician or as for my party. So I never paid attention to that. I have all a lot of details about that, like trucks all how they're well over their neck with payments, fuel costs, corruption, spare parts, they all end up with trucks will be a pounding. Almost 90, 80% of their trucks are all breaking down, because they cannot sustain the fuel, the maintenance and so many things. The sheer size um, of the truck fleet was just too much for them. There's a lot of stuff. Financing issues. I bet staff salaries were delayed, staff or learning, I don't know, salary increments or masukuna MSI, if the mark pass no, they cannot pass it. They're still stuck at 3, 4 years of salary when BSc consistently doing salary increments as government mandated. So all of these things, but I never waste my time. There's never once Moibo BSc Kakana Talibla or KMC la financial deficiencies can our expose them. It doesn't really matter to us, right? So, but these people, this just shows how low they are. They are very ignorant people, vile, angry, and then cunning. Very very cunning people, and then mo jaw balamut yajala ito kadu jaw yala libra naka sa ngani yala mo rek 24/7 and you don't know ibikalo la jaw yas fo se bo hani MP ben ko la fisale ne 100% baro official bata ni mbotile don ni baro na mana ni intana mana si nga baro la mo command like let's say dogs or whatever it never caught ni ko sabajan nga ko ke bot ko be dandul la bal ñin dul la level is 10 yankuba men fo ala interview was very right ako these people are worse than Aramboro, and he wasn't Amanta Fania. I told you maybe in fact he might even made it nicer. But apparently these people are just evil. So I just but so yeah, he was there in accuse ko ngajilo ta so mobile mind confused the wura jana ay kon ko VSA julo ta 50 million dollars is ngajilo do ta no mo jonu ngajilo do ta ngo pour ko julo do jo you understand expensive thing a lot of nyaji be systematically that is stupid no bank je membe je lete be julo kono ite be julo kono iko be julo jole la iko default they use the word default wala na mbenyu wofu be kilin safela jambi albala na nyum mo xala principal how they think and then how evil they are nyum fani agila fani afo fanan is on a different level so they use the word default okay boboja use the word atakata fani afo la boboja ma understand and then karamo fanan use the word default it could be defaulted on loans so which financial institution wala be rejala ite la loan default at 20 something million you understand iko so when I ate akafo iko nanga loan do dealer which bank will do that you even would even do that ite la julo tarfa mola obe store la pujule kana ka julo belo faka ito gala so this defies simple financial logic both on the bank side and our side so it doesn't make sense common sense dictates that you be julo kono you be swimming in debt you are defaulting no other bank will come and find you there and be able to be judo la file la judo so this thing just naturally doesn't make sense. So I'll come and break all the stuff down. I like little 10, 20, or not even I'm not even trying to come out and just to tell you what the truth and it's up to you. As your as adults, when it's matter, as a junior. But getting doing kaja kono follow, I want to give you a small history of um Ning MPP, sorry, UMC call. Bari ko until we having financial issues, no financial health, ibola kwirika, ibola putlang into distribute. So I'll mark again, Laba Fingala, just share the program again, please. Please, yeah, hit the share button later. So they were put into context and basically into question our financial health. Well, na financial na safana na fulo Kenya. Iko ntol kulote mbulu mbe batare ne and then mana kilo jono so ñajibe ko nga fanya bindo ñara biyesi sanji saba sayen ko la bande ha sanji saba to be jele sanji kononto yol ke KMC so ni la ko fu mankile ban to na mana si sinya kilin konka molal financial problem of nad nadale birin nada nga mentara je man fenn ko mo na ko dol mene bije our money na financial issues nga mentara je men kada jonga ñol lañu anin janyo lo fonko den na council what what minus but I think no minus 11 million dollars is in debt nata da jawo la julol be mola ka julol ta jawo la bulun salary jo ninga funding collect ngata jo na ay konti pour nakat wala nyam yala ni yabata kolte to wala traje na jele that's what we found there and then we basically the story from revenue of 70 I don't know 70 million well and highest of that place, dollars is per year, to now what last year 268 something million dollars is. So that's a magical, you know, story. And this is a council me and control. We didn't. We just basically inherited immediately. We didn't even try to go through transitions like other councils. Telling me will not before Yadung there was an interim council that was there led by Bakari Jamme of the GFA. Wale lead no for 3 months while campaigns were happening. Wotumu wala luwade. Yen campaign we kering mo be ka bojele. BAC or KMC, everybody leaves, the chairman leaves, and then there's a 3 month period where there's interim chairman. Menkana Talib came into that. He didn't come into Yankuba Daba situation where you come day one, found City for Sonko sitting, where Munela Hanover, where Kairo Fele, Tabulo Fele, a computer Fele, Yen Hanover. No, don't that true. Well, Talib didn't go through that. Bakari Jamme was the one that came here. I've been in KMC for 3 months. Atale ghost worker be bonije. Mene ka salary muta e mantere do kula je ke be boni system kono. System o clean, ka market committee dada, ka collection from collection market collection system will be parandi, revenue collection from will be parandi jandin talibina. So we didn't go through that. This is a historical fact. A lot of people forgot about because more for you than the court will be hearing non wotu non to ikat ni be certify la ika council ika council bula you leave council ita si 3 months ka moleke je ka fa interim kan chairman or mayor yo wala ka ko ke je aka jemu de fajane tabina so dol woto mon dola time irin to bina woto mo luwati je straight lam straight inheritance straight problem straight order staff audits ghost workers everything we have to fix everything from day one. So it was a completely different story. But again, that was the history. We revived that council, took it from revenue of about 70 something million dollars a year to now 200 and some 260 something last year. This year we might actually try to hit 300. At least we're gonna hit 250 or more. So consistently. So and then we never went a month without paying our salaries. We are never in debt. We never went a month where our accounts are red. As we're speaking today, BB Lala, I just left the council general council meeting for August 20 for this month. BB Lala Mborola. As we speak right now, our accounts right now is sitting at $16.6 million. 16.6 million is positively sitting in our accounts after paying our salaries and our obligations, our account, like I said, sorry, council expenditure in normal occurrences, we are healthy sitting at that point. So you can't follow council and only are struggling. Okay. But again, facts don't matter to these people at NUMC. So we have to systematically go and trying to more kalamutan remember caring puru ikana more hakilo nyimi ye tonyaje. So it'll again I'll ask the question why. Number one, beginning. Munayatin. Like I said, mona mana si jang iya jay moy bi si attack wala kudo bajala kudo bajala. Mona mana si ko kunta wala kan sule nyina kere. Maybe once in a while standard newspaper sa sabrege ko kunta wala basi wala kan sule nyina bi yeten ten e mena nyenjo yela rosis ngo be jana festival keda. But for us to come out or another council to come and attack another council, ntena mana jang kan BAC don na mana KMC la kudo mo jang ñini comme ni la heede problème so yes you can say things but kafo comme ñini katan kila kayto le bondi nan KMC ñine sign no that's not our job that's the commission's job commission dok woti local government commission finance commission audit national audit department wala to la dok wote that's why we never ever maybe internet ko jana we have receipts everywhere intenda mana intende son compte anybody that works for BAC namana nakate KMC la kayto le sunya ka fuka la khale ñene ke wala makata mon de council resolution ala na rake ala kitiote e man kayto jo kayto men ko yankuba dabo anen CEO wala yankuba dabo anen finance department e kote no what they saw was BAC council resolution wala mon de council e carte fa men be mo be bulo wulinde ha wala hani benyina kala ha wala hani yes council resolution you wala leak yes it's our document man right put a leak but a leak ya leak it could real leak because ko be fen mi kan jemen kata fen sun kan ni wote fen men se mo nondi anara ke sen nder lawti bare way men yitande ko chairman buka fu mo la lakita delta mo jande ko ngam menje commission auto si nyajel len commission auto ta jang hen e patrick and in talib KMC many occasions abe ko ke kan council ma kalamuta abe kulo ke kan abe full authorized kan payments no council resolution afansun ko akola ke sinya jama lo kere on the under the BAC naka sorry local government commission. So we've seen instances of Talib going and authorizing things as a king, not as a councillor that is responsible for other people, or working in conjunction with our councillor passing resolutions. He kept these spendings and these approvals. We saw them more and more during the commission. Dolmo problem also. You also, the document that they say this was their holy grail, or this was like, well, I'm going to destroy BSC with, go and steal their document. You stole our document. That's unethical. I'm not gonna come to KMC trying to go to their staff and tell them, boy, you don't must send documents, you must send it. Like I said, I know a lot about their issues, their financial issues. Sometimes they struggle to pay their salaries. So many times, sometimes they go months without salary. I know, but like I said, it's not my concern. It doesn't. I didn't vote for BSC, KMC. They have their constituents anyway. I didn't know. Understand? So I don't feel like I need to go and dig and steal. I could easily do it. I have my contacts there easily. Hey, and they will give me the document and I'm gonna post you. You see, look, Talib is struggling, but what has that to benefit me and my politics? Nothing. I see nothing. I don't find any joy in KMC, people getting in trouble financially. Because it's not them, it's the people of KMC we are talking about here, not us or Talib. So this is a different level of maturity that they don't understand. Again, um, they thought they found something, okay? But the question is why? Why council, another council is attacking Brikama Council? Unprecedented, right? You've never seen BAC or Rahim Malik Law attacking KMC, telling them your finances. Any other council, you've never seen it. This is the first time, and they jubilated. So you were like, okay, what triggered this? Manaketa, Manarna. Well, Manarna, well, I'm coming follow about how this Taliban Sudan Alamol, uh, their entire existence, it will, in their eyes, Yankuba Dabo wale to lama sekunatinya. Yankuba Dabo wale to la plano betinya, ila kudeta beti nyokono. So obviously, what do? You spend your whole entire life to destroy Yankuba or anybody close to him or the institution that he's leading. Hanna Jatra that institution for BSC betinya atula hajita. So this is their modus operandi. Yele la primary objective. Hani baro yo lan jana. It's about Yankuba, how to destroy Yankuba and how to use Yankuba and UDP ke betinya nyola. This is their main objective. So that answers the question why. So so now they thought, okay, yeah. So let's just discredit him. Our finances because Yankuba exposure menkela. I exposure menkela BSC la no KMC la asembo warata Yankuba la doku nyene kera la problem berabe doku la I KMC la expose in not just KMC but most councils, because it's difficult for you to convince Gambians that you just few things, a few areas. Okay, Talib Bejanne the KMC for 8+ years. And namana mo sankiliye ke dan Talib yoguli ako wala KMC yoguli ko ila financial documents wala yolel yolel expose comme ya ndonga menke ko this year ngina soto ngina dundi ngina soto ta ngina expenditure ta is our expenditure, this our revenue, blah 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 fil ngalan and I'm in the history of local governments. Dole fola ke the following day pam pam amani two days e faneta dab dab e ko fana ngina soto 300 and something million blah 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 blah. So they keep getting exposed. We do that for them. It will for 8 years they cannot do that. So another example again, for 8 years you've been sitting at KMC collecting taxpayers' money. You've never paid to your World Development Fund. Walam Yankuba Kanye 1 million amens the World Solar Puriela Hajo Topoto. It be sitting there Sanji say. Momale kela kudu kadame. Ibika from when Yinanga Soto, Momale Kamen Soto, Momale Kamen Domo, because Briala expenditure not exposed money not affiliate Yarafan, EU Kodoni, Wala Ketula, most of the in a kudo for the mental ila protocol. bari fo ke tara men ne quand même bonde KMC e fo tara to men men dila o don de bak o be na expose ko na fo yi wanya post pro yankuba men ke den ka ndun to mata silin kon ka mo la compete we fel ko ngalon ko mo le CJ mo la katele dila mo kon bole CJ so ni bela ko do manek tan it's right for na ya fo ah sanwo de nyina sotota nyina domota nyina dumta nyina fintira jala nyina sa nyina kita afela nyina ko do I think it's good so to look out of good practice ni mo hakoti ma bari tol sanji se be sirin je barkanto ma kelo na kere jomto la sai même another expose fana men kete la wala world development fund wala yankuba kany 1 million men di words wala ade be ye word ngam what tani what about 16 words something like that sanji say ngam da sinya kila na e domane di la de whatever and then that's it wol be sidi wol mala muna world development fund kem su ko be sidi be fonyami wala sanji say fo yankuba nada ala force ya 500,000 si di be nyama how is this possible the following year 1 million obusa ye bulo ye kundo the following year I had another 1 million busa so automatically I expose le daman kuma abulumang ma asimama ayala do kulake molia a vote men naje bari moya fanje KMC tal korose 2023 yankuba jita ni BS talib falenta talib la focus be falenta ala molla ko falenta tere ni bambal la jana hasdiya bambal la jana konnante yala jana kikra because anytime yankuba does work men nyanta kala BSc so ite je imagine ite be sirin sanji say ite na mana world development ila world so be jibe ko nya e malon kon fon nyana kala fo moy balance from nowhere sanji kilin rek ate wili kemedum di sanji fulo nday wi ay million kilin di sa ite la ite hanni ma fo defo ko sile kamoli fam be ka ko ah wona dede nyin sa nyente wanyar la ba ite na ite UDP jikel non ko what you showed UDP at that time well ite you are the shining light you are the young bright guy. Hmm? The brand new guy, the new guy, with new ideas, manaka KMC, Bur KMC, Muslim Bundale, Nilanya Kalasiba, Tikitaka, Pulso, all this nonsense. Yeah, so you created this illusion, come along in no nene, making people believe Kokimo white, young, charismatic, blah blah, intelligent bullshit. You understand? It turned out you are just a new other just puppet sitting there, doing nothing with people's money. 3 million euros. Yeah, base squander band. Nothing can show. You cannot show anything for it. Ila KMC hana nanjana, ila dom side hana nanjana. Pepe jahasiri bulu. Hani greda men ka pusi mo functional. Yeah, ika mo jo 700,000 something dollars a month or whatever week to hire graders. Kana nya mo push. Ito ko ite balik talk or some balik talk 2020 something 25. Ika dom iba dom la dime iba dom sambala dime ite mo hakilo mo dila no ko you need machines put nim troko na ya dom nyanta ka push na treat. Sorry. Ngambale zo intri nga topoto nga ite mo mirano you're not smart. You did all this financial blunders, but you covered it up with UDP la barco, UDP la naka sa mbajo ye mbaja ye cough like a small baby. You understand? Kendula nal kendula wah. You ride that for 8 years. Just keep going, enjoying that ride. Can keep winning na the get the smart guy blah blah blah, young charismatic. You know. Hey, some killer phone better go and fix your phone. I'm using earpiece. Everybody say it's fine. Why are you complaining about the phone call? So anyway, so is my mic is okay. I think it was good. So you know, I told him fine. So he was like I said, the shining light until that perfect scenario you thought Ndolko it may present to well and the best of the local governments. Okay, then out of nowhere, Yankuba came and then first exposed you on this world development. You start wondering what the hell is going on. So people have asked questions. You don't know like that. Sanji say, no, 7 years, 6 years at that time. What were you doing? You couldn't do any, I don't know, what development So you know that I okay. So now you obviously people will start asking questions like what the hell's going on? You know, what is going on? Where is the money? So insecurity started to do some the most started to kill ya. 2023, 2024, so the most started to start acting funny. Agent. I start acting funny, start doing funny things, start going on the ground. If it are more than to be your salary la, when it will salary jola. You see how the insecurity started. When I like for accelerate in UDP. Once he saw this person, he know this guy, the way he's going, he will expose me beyond repair. Now, Paretambala more than the Jibela Koreng. Because at that time, he told they have their political agenda. I better set in the Paret. Ila kudera be parete everything parete patio ka surbule able da ko itela hajola. So then this guy came and exposing this perfect person and thing I mean create no this kamasa. Ajala this kamasa perfection of this how local government. Imagine every time we write came over will come and say ko Talib set the standard for local government before also came over there. So let's ask him what standard? The standard of denying people their rights to what development funds so they can do their developments in their what areas, denying people scholarships, denying people, the transparency to come and expose and then reveal your finances, what are your incomes, what are your expenditures, yemuna sang, yemuna loan ta, yemuna kiteng, all of that stuff. We started that first. We exposed that, and he went crazy. 2 3 days, allow came karambalo. I'm going to spell no correctly. It because honey grammar can also it more like they found exposed every day with very very bad grammar. I don't know why. Who is advising you? You should hire somebody. Make him okay. You cannot be out here exposing your foolishness 24/7. For Italy, if I do graph the other day, I might 300 expenditure 300 million, million, blah 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 blah. Okay, you should have been doing that 7 years ago. Now you are forced to act. Now you are forced to work. So the lazy attitude of sitting there and have to badu badu. Now that's no more. Now you have to work. You see Yankuba out there working in but I will Yankuba start for local finti. Kadanying from Goldaning, Pelol Bekele, Balito Bekele, and Kirikara. They started saying, oh yeah, but the father money, key one with the key. Handing camera for the Yankuba, Atama camera for the Kirin. Mokan camera loka camera bonimbala. But that's just him. That's a public servants member yellow kono. It you are a pretender. You are a fake pretender. Ila hajo be wala ka sele foirel kan ka UDP use as a selen down na gelegelel anin na fonko na enthusiasm ya jala na wakilo anin na bambang ila for use la selen down to get where you need to get naked alani woden to kanja. That's all you needed. You don't have anything to do with public office. Was not you. It's not in your blood. Ima long. Wala ne baka jigo keno. So you were easily exposed by somebody who's a natural public servant. Yankuba didn't have any malice, any slight level of competition in him when he came. The least thing on his mind, well, oh, let me compete in the KMC, let me, no. Yankuba dealt with council issues in London. He's a lawyer that did with, benefits and welfares for people that live in council houses. He knows councils upside a blow from Nyabulo Ketabaluna, council. He said, Tali, what do you know about council? No, you said, well, when they asked you, you said used to do waste management, balit truck drive, whatever in Canada. Used to do waste management for council in Canada. That's all you said. All your interviews. I didn't put it in your mouth. Yankube is a lawyer that deals with I don't know welfare issues with people that live in council homes and council houses and stuff like that. UK is a council-based society. UK government council you have council housing, council in UK. So he's much more aware of that. So our responsibilities and our mental council already he came with that idea. So Bida and I always set to do to benefit the people. So any act I make I can jealous. Like I said, the exposure was not, we didn't come and say we're going to expose KMC. No. We did our work that we swore by the Quran. In doing so, the new ideas, we said, okay, what development? We don't want to be sitting over there in council, in our cozy air conditioned offices saying, yeah, I want to build this for Sintet Ward. I want to do that for Kusamai. And I want to do that for Kanilai or Biam. No, you don't know, Yankuba. If you want to do that, Yanks, you're going to fail. So what do? You call your counselor. He's the one that's connected to Kasamai. He's the one that's connected to Biam. He's the one that knows Kanilai what, not you, Yankuba. You might be smart, you might have a degree, but you don't know anything about Biam. So what happens? Your councillor now, another ward development team winning, many be work on the village of Bello, whenever still assign, you'll live decide, okay, do is what you want to do. This is how public servants do behave. Yemola chair dealer, yemola hako dealer. Talib doesn't understand this concept among nyentala DNA kona malong amaka. So naturally, Allah nyal kontolman si like ngankali from day one sweating like kana nyine can Talib man can tobe no 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 that was not even part of our psyche. But day one, this is what Yankuba wanted because this is how councils function in UK, and he knew this was the right way to get to the people and give them their due. It will follow a time and effect. This is a concept. And even Masakuna I don't know in the future, we will try to expand this concept, even to central government budgets. And if that billion, 40, 20, 30 billion spend, give us, take these chunks and give it to regions. Because West Coast, 300 million fellow, BAC, $300 million. Ajulo Muraja. Eta Jare Kai, 150 million fellow. Eta Bansang, Eta Nakaza Basse, Eta Kansukai, 250 million fellow. Ila Hajo Tokorola. Then central government will fend like elephant. Then the rest, council will yellow quoke, Banco develop a silo dada, like drainage, quoke, tala fully decentralized. This is a concept that Yankuban understood and demonstrated, but accidentally it exposed some guys sitting in community for 5, 7 years at that time, fooling people, making them believe what he is not. Immediately, word development another wuro kumata. No start. I'm getting that if I want to kafana ita ni tin tan. Okay, so no problem. The following year, we thought go, you know, the following year again we thought the money was a bit small. We tightened our belts, we straightened our revenue, made sure we stopped the leakages like we promised in the campaign. The money grew, we gave more money back to the people, 1 million. Again, that time he was 7 years in office, 6, 7 years in office, got exposed another time. Again, you are now 7 years, this guy is 1 year. You cannot do what development, even $10. This guy is giving millions. What are you doing in office? So immediately you started getting insecure. UMC another more bit, new start kata, so no more start kata. So now the idea is how do I stop this? You cannot stop this because what Yankuba is doing is not like Al Nanjala Kalangism. No, this is what need to be done. It need to be done for 60 plus years, and it was not happening since independence. So we are now doing it. People are responding. We are seeing the effects of it. Every community, every ward in this country, well, in the West Coast, have seen some level of development from BAC, something at least that went back to them, no matter how small it is. So this is what should be done. Immediately, war exposed Talib and his crew. And then you fancy them like, hey, what's going on? That 300 something million, 3 million euros, all of that stuff. Ale. So the exposure getting worse and worse. Another area that also exposed him, which we didn't intend to expose him, but we said, hey, we need to care for our people. We have a lot of poor people in the region. They need to go to school. They decided to give them scholarships, yeah, to attend tertiary institutions. Aja, misada ka koro di gala, students all prekata karamura ngila karamura jo. First year ngamra ngal kima sabang wala ke. The next year 600, at for 900 scholarships. So ufana exposure do loke. Do exposure antibida bakel because it be jela almost 8 plus years. KMC din jela be kirinja. Karamun kuye fala jaya batarinja. And then I'll tell you a story. See, one of his own councillors, many people would be Facebook, one of the executive members at that time needed a scholarship. At Hadaya, a guy who had attending time scholarship, a guy who humble, lead a very unique. I was able, an executive member of the councillor, then do. Bidaka scholarship, okay, no, lead a very unique. This was around 2018, 19. Wala ranka anong kumbo. Like kumbo, figuratively wo sita nya nyina kede tenente a fe okay na UDP din wala you know what the hell na UDP din wala mana na mbobula la jabira taliba fala ko ha UDP affaire UDP and my head at that time 2018 ngani jigen ko ñu ama ñu fo kidera fon to la may sidi jeba yo UDP mo la fi tek mo na ko scholarship ite man fero do ibama ko la men council ko do jibele a jibel be ko daba daba nya prela ma ko ita school ita university afan think aga fa inta UDP ko bari bi solda be campaign la solda mo la carte la ibita bi do faji kuna ya ni ibo tanyon ni kuru kara ko na be carte ni ma fu ha ibe but mo UDP is nice to you it was okay to be UDP at that time but when it was time for scholarships you ni boy jabi kai ko ni manke UDP kuti ngara nga fanya tinta don na nga wara baraba dia la karam mojo sandi fula UDP ngolon to kakete be careful people hani meni sa ate fula biya te munyina executive vote so nata bije fo nata mudoti ate fo da manya na tarla bi ka fako KMC le standard set in local governments in this country ite you were crying for a scholarship to finish your university ima sodo no tada talibi akoye mta keno la UDP vote BSc ntolnata sanji killing san kema saba ngolodi mo kema saba sako sain imagine ndol fo mine campaign ga fon no parti dum fo yalla wala fo yenda sodo ndefe la ndela scholarship package on kama sodo jala dala saba nani wo something like that ngabe di na UDP victim wol wala nde to wala ndeta be ciow kilindi ngam na family la be na scholarship be men victim wol wala ngadi wala so go fana think other people yes but this boy UMC executive volunteer tara daniro la talib kay inte UDP kuti hakilo fama nono ka fen engineer ngalo ngani yola ka dogo ni ngani yo manke dogo la ngani yote bala fa ngani yo fuane la bala fa ngani yo ni nate bala ibika keno hane billion la ni ko jawe ibika keno so no baka no yang kuma nata moma ntaman si ngai ko scholarship moma advice la moma fa ata sita dak ako nyina nyata kele a sama nan kanso mo be da ko ta fa scholarship for the 300 asamu the following day the following year we did 600 last year we did 900 this year falanga my 1000 plus this year okay yang kubo kala naturally I am more exposed ko tanke so ñu expose o ka KMC lang kenamata ke tankeren dul ma dak make out of malice do kole o sabu accidentally baren to fanda sila mola barakante yang o jibe ngor fananko malafika ofen malafika nyinke fanjeten wala to fanda sila ngana do kumuta fota ko kala to be du ko kala min do ko me expose mo tela hajo sa defane karaw kono lesse ni barkata non nun daga 300 do scholarship woni yin force yani bare ko ka compete la ifane 200 ke 200 scholarships ifone ya bare hani man seso gana bare ay tukela dis galo ya start but even though you've been there for 6 years yan to gana say 200 okay the follow ya sama 300 maybe say about if 400 at least something for your people of KMC when they campaign when they barate for all KMC for a share so balafati la so jani be kam falam to kam ibe jalos la albita fani al tabila mo kam aka kan dollar finance la ko al tamu la scholarship or jo and what development okay just one word baka word al kudo dila ete la hajol topoto baratul barkota no na le ko lumina han salary al ta jolo ni lumina ye what development joja jam salary ita domola dale fani afa dol ko ko jamme samosa what mon anin say ate what tan me what about 16 words dol 28 difference is too much we still paid our 1 million ite bidi han darso e madino so e expose tale ntame expose dola do ko wala expose baden to fana man a wudo kama pour expose baden na do ko on to fana mabano bidin kere rek kelo wulta duma kelo be kela vida mo baba ha man barka aman keten ko tabulu abga nyin diala no salaire fele even level la sukuru sana mo le be kalante be kela yudi bi kono pour que ñu on the mind 24/7 ka nondi ka fundi ate bo kela nto bela do ko nga nyabiti nganna brejol dada nganna drainage system dada jambar sane bi jambar sane sama kana ba banda tu 30 minutes jo banda brikama ko marché kono bola ma wasara kono bar marché area jambar sane lo dar kata odumo ninga busala ni sama busala jambar sane birkaman ko nyininga otumo molka wulle ka kela ko da wuday krasi primary school for 3 days they became refugees otumo molka ke jamba san lo lumba ko je birkama lo marché ko maja molka la ko dal bula kita refuge ke sai sanji fula sai kabiro sedo sawani minan sama zero moy basira su kono hani abibe drare like normal compounds ñim fana ketela without no world bank money no IMF no EU money abe taxpayers money this on top of the world development, on top of the scholarships, all that stuff. And also, we last year we budgeted $6 million plus pour ñu menga jaaraw lu ñu folate. And then I'm like KMC and then ko mana yalla to kanyum fol etol ya first etol ya foba ñine bi ñinen to la budget 6 million plus pour menen ko jaaralo ki ñata kata to ki tan wala kata ñu bless wato sa jawbe gay lay na fete fin kitan password ni ticket plane ticket wala ñu folde ke ma koy. Yes, 6 million this year for over 6 million plus. Même budget for that. Bebe kere be mun namana je kolti KMC kono ila ñu wuri ban nekta dum ba wuri ya fo kola tara ya findi atol sa to be sidin mala je ñu mbale to kilo ali yola mbuda ka 2017 albe ñu mbale ñemi ko mbale mo na biya abiya panda ati la mo nek ni pede ko library dum library hana nan alma complete ikala complete na ma complete abe ko do sela o problème o right na bolo ko ñini be janne EU ko ngara janne kane o ja EU ministère ya fonye ministère ya mate la mala fa ministère to EU na raja kane o jang pri la ñu ko dalen 3 million ya bon o bien to be silo be kan because ntelo fu na faale bara la fa la kafiro la la fa ñu kafiro jugo samana no problem bala energy market jang EU na raja ne EU da hayla ya dinay ila ñu 3 million aka men patrick men wurur commission to fa EU ko stupid na raja ne kila kudo kiskis ministère la ñu fonye ministère men mate la fa ko ha credible information bedero kan jammi naka sila okira la monso ko na haji tiji what do I care but since now Allah fa ñi nekk la kelo de 5 so bunda fana yela it's okay Allah document sol pour ko so mo ko lande bul Allah problème wala financial problème wala ajur mo la bijan al bagala trokol finance no essence bu kasal no troko beti nyata fo beti nyata bul I we know but why sit here and content nena dashi abi ngana yan ko fit then until a problem adam barot but these people la financial problem wende na famula la fa commission ko commission na diam rejan han commission ndep ko diam baki you know ya param param jana did you receive the money ha I did receive I was deposited in my account totally I diam jana ita me ta nyama da fa most of it one thing I nyaka so bere jana I don't even care that much because it doesn't matter to me so until like I said you say we are in financial bad shape ita al bond ila medical health support bond ila 6 million something come and spend medical ila scholarship bond ngaji ila world development bond ngaji ati sai kila kulu keminto ite sai KMC call ite ni wol temo afara jan san video bunda muso bisin tumbo ko nani vul video lam VM ba fendi daga ite ko be ite campaign ol don la brika market je men ko sifa so na men ke fish market de o fana mantran tol koto mo fala fa clear na fish market da management sam be diam talia muy that place is under the Ministry of Fisheries ntol ke ma ko len tada nga boholo nga sokowe si je nga jibe da nga be parandi for free country mantran jo campaign ngo kelen na ngan yo kam because we felt they are our people. Honey ministry and neglect neglect. But we are not collecting transoje. Fishing and takale jedada ye bankada da bara sun ko nala video kamene bondino nkate kala jam ko tan tada ngada da kutote itela ni marse itola ka collect o muso wol men ka fendi be joko na je bu joni ni tumbol that is them 100% man ke fishery ministry is the KMC but it was like I said do I find joy in that no dola maketi je men ko membo hal hal sifarja na So ila incompetence wala be expose ka and historically kabrinata ito la mena saying the only way body they cannot compete ni ko be compete scholarship photo ibe banko plan ya lon tan alo wallahi billahi na menjo scholarship photo nyina $18 million iba kele ibe tinya iba itala salade jono ni ko ha ya before another 6 million ngolo jibi scholarship bi kodo be na kanto ko $16 million bi ngolo birin be na ka ngolo jama nyinen na kansula ko kabu je won fala fala remind we do all this. Albania Bajala episode. This is our Funko, he's the vice chairman of the scholarship committee. Jaman Kamara from Kebuja. Hello, Seferoja. Science, a control of intellectual brokering. Don't be a scholarship for Jokan. At all scholarship for like killing for you, but allow for you more for Niki killing fella, more killing, ma for Sabana Lude. Killing a fellow loring, scholarship, Taliban, I am running a Joan to carry stuff on a nga yuti jon ka fala yuti ji fele ni kar la ngajo yuti ji la di sofe nga gambe ko la jon ko gambe ko la di sofe gambe jang with institution ko ko yimba ko jam sa ko ndalam ballo ko government ala fany say ifana talib bari ko tebe KMC tebe ko KMC ko ila fa banko marala ko ila fa kan to la mar ila fol say a start say tay ila account to bon ya fa nyin ko dikare ngola spend hada balul kunna ma fa la nyin fake project holde la be janna nyakla dumba nyana be tikita kala mofo real effect on people afoko na wo development na wo na ni wo tan woro I feel like nga 200,000 we ke bafla let's just do 200,000 bari 1 million no ite nyita wo jobi ite be fala san kay bala kan susoron na le jobi e bala kan susoron ko tal show your money so atu ka to le standard set to let mbalito samana so we naka BS is copy fine shine show me a standards for council functionality scholarships human development drainage system or alignment alpha Marseille stall. How many Marseille stalls? 20 something Marseille stall. Just last month long not getting improve jan nani. Standard ones. When jan everywhere. It's a Marseille fine. It will be just 7 years. Say 8 years ko ban. Da fonyo ko la. Almanta fenaji. So wala be expose kan is on the mob kano. Ibola induma kelo la no. Be yankuba undermine la. Vitala BSc ba fala e mam baraka e ko dotie bulu tenin tenga manyin diala manketen to kuya anko ba yes ko table safa ko table ni ko na ko table is fine but the west ko dul mo keme ko ndo kara modo bi même mu university wala UTG wala GTTI wala gande college fo adol melan ko otherwise nit ñi man soto non bi to be su ko nan o yankuba wala ka fale wala bannayati ñita ko man fansoto e kada kam mo jo salary $6,000 na biro yani biro 6,000 ita scholarship wodi mo la jana KMC ba bala fatal to only care about walanka palaso use ka sera molka ka mol ko doro ka mol joyande that's it so yara fete ite you could have paid world development be dira fe nyanko bo man na it expose no KM call tala mana world development fund dalon so KMC be senjene be blok ko solete e yudi fi benene pargo benene ki moy waji yara fete defend yanko bala na wala anto ngalanko yara fan scholarship so if one like party leader deputy party nagaza party leader right now ila executive ay dan scholarship jale kay lu affaire UDP ima soto fonte nata ngora barba dinna modul nga dabala ngal kar mojo sanyi fu malo mon tem wala way CB wol bi wala ka safero ke bi aka kan to lene aka ako KMC le standard set hmm bi ite standard set ite la scholarship ite mo fo mo le tamako wala membe ko je sa indi oda wan e ko ite standard set meye where scholarship came kono to di where 900 scholarship day ay 600 scholarship day ay 300 scholarship day 3 years in a row bayta ko ite le standard set ite man scholarship fo la boss mo bul dola bi sanna staffol be la package staffol package ma yidi bin ko fa staffol man ko melo on fana package la be Ndanga package sabay ko ndanga last year sabal na before that war ay old 6 defo sita ma ko no yarefo dade clear mo solo no la boss bu but bi yete ke dayla ko itele standard set for local government. What is your definition of local government? Say la fo ba to ko wala standard mo ne mundi wala fo de alta la pejo jibe ça fait ba so BSC should stop competing. When have we competed with you people? Itu time for men ka to gisani ñin development kala say to ko to standard set your standard your definition of standard wala yankuba na bi ni yankuba to no manu hmm? Standard that you set KMC like kemo boja mf hmm? Abe atula 7 masif alta bajela ning wala standard no don bi do beta sidina bi fuel ta so la pun na troko be panta scholarship man soto ko eta mala kabe kirim pan siri fo so gar nyaami mba chekil old atene siri fo so ko mena be kilen ha ajal so scholarship wo table what development table medical health support table fen table dobi bin do beta silo kono bi ni ko to la standard wala setup so to fanan ata fanan no furndia standard do bola maintain la buri manja bi adama be kala dinkendo de vérifier kono bi ni ko dogo rek talit yana sa ko sa futale ndo fanam futa ndo fanala BSc ngam bulo nyaka man fen soto man ko soto na ko be jahsiri nyoko no and then there's no atunum bang what development fund there's no money there's nothing it ko wala standard yolo for that because they set the standard so now the question is what is your standard is ineptitude. Your standard is lack of transparency because you've never shown your financial records to Gambian people on this until lumina become a council abundi ko ñina na expenditure di ñina na income di nga ñina soto nga ñina kete nga ñina budget nga ñina na shortfall ñina kete tap tap nga ka Facebook tilisa masi fanata abone ko fanata revenue 3 something so it for 5 years that was your standard to keep quiet yemola ko do beta ya taso be collect ni pade de kan tek yi man jututam wala man momuta fenti ye fan tiki taka ya ga nyakla do ni after just not doing it. That's it. For 5 years. You never felt ko one time mbadu nga came sikol nge bunya ngata online nga na drive for bondi ko ni lunkari de ni sankari nga nyina soto 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 fo biri janku baake ite fana wultay iko mfanam tata say who is setting the standard here muna nata expose biri fana tawde fam bloko no muna nata ke na wala nata lon ko yara fa iwu lo ko do ni ila expenditure nsafa ila income half of it almost iwu la ko do patricia nyinin kawala ko fire fue ko kodonyi ika use as ingo ako adabu ko yokomi as council income ngala problem fo jamana lo ko do ako ko do use nyami ngana ka utilize nyami anin council several manta several manta ba wo expose to alo men fin Facebook kaka UDP lo no sai imagine nga standard set so itala standard wala nga bulula nyoka nga mulo ko do collect me respect me bunya ngasi man sama be kanje mendi dan kai hmm fo nyun ko bele be siri fay fo nyana mela times nga kujun ko bele bunyu jana ilo dom sa do meme ba be halan hangala ne ko di trok tambulu greda tambulu ko di itala fo wala itala standard kay te greda table trok table budda sa table yolo am e ko tara ye mun san mbali troko nyim mbali to trako dom mbali to budda to men ka push ay din ko singa sarende ko table sa ite ita ko are you using your brain yembali to ko yasa me foko dom baba kote kayto ite mo machine so de sa push no men you went and spend millions and millions of dollars ka rent jani bo rent la maniko de jubala kurtolo coach ko akonti on size kana propaganda campaign ko mo propaganda ya e barolo system ni propaganda development yani bita motos money lusana motos 15 cent tendo nyin wala ko do ita ala grader san bay nana te grader rent la ina te buldo sa rent la ina te excavator rent la wala birin chairman na motol bina ale am neket ale troko jale ale bulldozer je ale excavator je ale tanko je ale fonje na round le because all of this line they all link together waste development waste management man ko one track tende fali ma ite kile tek e ko nyina pam nyin to nyo beti nyade mu sai ntola tamanan na bakote dom side la equivalent ning troko na re banko samanan ya nyamo samanan je immediately na bulo so kana la wurr, ana ma wo para mani bulo so be cheno ni nka tani cheno la nga be push nga be treat nyanda kata faida nga faje nga push nga parende do fane na nga push nga samba ni mo ke e kata rankle lo ke charge almost $70,000 $50,000 a day ibo jola nyadi la sa ite ko ite ha ite mo ne la ngambali troko sa ngambali trok tangol sa fine okay sa yo sa ibita deployment ita jana wala ya don ba ko be sidi ke ba okay le isin bale be le dof ko fi wala kan ko push hamin fan ko push de har ñu dem rent commission ko nya jale ala mo je ala kanjura kany mala ni dumala commission problem bay ko mala $700,000 mala ñaari bola fo ko di bal just to rent that bulldozer to push it imasoto so that's your standard. Huh? Let's talk about standard. That's a standard you set for 5 7 years before we came. So you talk about beautiful brag be Facebook iko KMC le standard set on son local single normal saying who is setting who standard. First of all, accountability to the people. You don't know how to do that. Ntolo ke inata ifana start kita findi ko kan yina spam yina ntati na yina soto yina dot yina ntoti afel west coast ko la afel ite na manake sanji warole bije immediately takilo yakilo ma ko nyanta kala yote sai if I also have to go by your standard ite deputy party leader men ko wurte ite men dala kay so scholarship wala ko lidu affaire yi scholarship tu ja eh ni wo standard o set ite la karon betinya la nu ite fana ñoñ jamala karon betinya la west coast simple b because we Toman nan ko ha we are setting standards ya tolo ko fadal bari molium vote men nan wala ke sa o keta munade standard west coast sa hani yanko batu jebi donata scholarship e kay scholarship ole scholarship bon dal so ka fule standard so somebody else come academic scholarship afle kana mo yam scholarship ko do bi kana mo yam lesen te kana ngasi jebi next year 2 years later nka fe ha yeah bila inko scholarship on nyama so afle hey hold up now chairman sanji sa ala nyoka muna yete mo furo yete ma kelo so now the standard has changed in the west coast but at the west coast what is your standard that's the KMC then the necktie bu won just na do ko tell me what is your standard is backwardness by yete mom fo yete mem fo kay severo ko bi ite deputy party leader ite le fon solo tala no scholarship o akata bulo ndele yema koy ba fa la ala ma ala ke baraji fongo na ka daga anyway mo fa la yan ha so mal bala man tambola say what is your standard mal bala tambe that's your standard kwadi so until we prove that that's not the standard is I give scholarships I give 300 I give 6 I give 9 3 years in a row so that's another standard mbareje ko ranke ko world development standard that is about standards now you were sitting there for 7 years 6 years ima feel ko nyum faro west coast nyum faji ku dajana talindi no wur wara kono jana ibo tan bundum they need some at least something nga fen some be samo sam ko man sere bara la nyum yen tam tielen li nyen sen rek ngena hamba you know jefande ko hani 200,000 it's okay imo keno sanje kini fula saba nane lulu woro wala imo keno say ima keno mundu bali be nyinkela say tela stand up for KMC nyimmo do na rete ite noma ko tanke ite you set the standards to refuse to pay what development fund say ite was ko sun ko yabul yew standard landi e plata so somebody after you will better replicate la so new way tela standard of meet who is losing here because KMC do la lose kan ko di faju ko nan ko ni tale ni ko ni bundu ko ni bakon ko wala be lose kan if no hena well they are getting 1 million kanila what 1 million sentir what 1 million bijilo 1 million senegal be bala nyanja 1 million da ite be just after that sa senegal be ta ko le rek wo ma 1 million sort but the bijilo word jang anin ko le be nyobala ko be bijilo bale be tabi no ko le way ha just simple distance ba nyindo barkata lo way 1 million sort ite man baraka ite man 1 million sort bari ko wala kala standard sa ite ko lo ngo ngaji be fo fa nambe tra la wol sonna o standards that standard is that what you want to accept bakaw Allah fo standard la ko di yankuba la mola be 1 million dikela ba ite la bakaw ite la faji kuna talen wol ko hani tasi 1 million kan so kemo ko wala ko this is standard atay na set sa bato buje dumala standard betata dumala standard seta moye o senata la by action not da kolomo ani nya class dumba ni jesna dum ito fe wala public service be bunda lay be salute lay be wa yar la that's it see uh, so this is the background of these people hmm? kele bambali kabirin to ligel kabin to na nyini me fa ime da aduma kilo because every time we do something BSE fenke it will kajala ko instead of ye content west coast call for getting something back for getting their medical bills paid for getting drainages at jambar sane kambe do be live be sone aka instead it will block us away akito sono mo kerene ke jani so it will instead of a block us kata kelol duma kilo so kato nyilla how do I make young balu bad ha mun bala kansu fo nyilla do so nyinendro bolla so kunu nata iko kadañum fo mina bula lokono ja wala keda munde iko ngam billion talul ngolta julo sa iko ko nga so tala bi to ma ha ka fo ten de maji hani ko do tabul fine ito la fala buru ya wesko se brok fo arole bata so ali yale ngani yolo fendi kan ka bayete handa telefon handa to kera to nyaade fentem bulu kan su brok tele man julo jono we are not paying anything bibi la nga fala bi bilan sansa na bota kan su mi dol na balance o 16.6 million dollars bije bibi la nga million woro jol scholarship million bina bari ko we are broke no salary be jode fo to na mana si salary man jo don tol we do salary increments mas kunda mi 30% ka kele understand so hanna trafon wala keta ato nyanta bos yanku bande kiyama la mana be kansul ko ala salary da mal da sit awda maso je mana waji ko tan hanna trafon wala fa atol ka mana content ka BSC je in financial to mira jam baket alni kafiri balle be nyoda alni mo jaw balle be la mira nyum mo ko fulane talib na la mol mo man jaw nyum mol ni man gambe do kanu e malla fi gambe la man saya ba ni kanne for one thing and one thing only ka ken kan man salti ka ken kan komi malaikoti kan fare muta kan jutunna kan jibe ko falol ni kan do jibe nyam ni man bala faso duli hannatra in case ngara to yalde muna kontaan ku bato le je ka je ko west coast la accountability who's suffering here yalo yankuba da bant intent salary kilo bento salary kan jola ni balance allowance on fault but who are the bigger people suffering the recipients of the scholarships the world development funds the people the poor people so walla bata atul ka bulo ko sole bakala about tayla glad silo hey they are suffering so who's suffering it's not yankuba because this money is not yankuba you know it's not yankuba's money it's not yankuba's father's money it's not, so who alka bulo ko sudmale dumala downfall ete ko te mansi anyino la ete ko te be gambe be jiliga gambe mara ete ko gambe mo la ñor be wuli fa la don de ka bi mo ma ñor man gambe la gis yo gisulo dara kafiri akola al man fan gis ja ñonde why would you wish this on your fellow citizens for them to have financial rules already you saw this guy a council bondi from jutu meakono ja oil wotum wala kan sono salary la loans ni fata ka loans di mol la ikata ka jo ka mol kanin ka yabate fo mol ya ngam fambundo jutina kono ngata 10 dollars bi je julo kono banko le mol kawta ja so bebe du nyokono account kono tan fin ye within 6 7 months 1 year ngam fan singo kono ngam fan digo kono fan findita kono west coast ko ke bi ka cb ngam mojala employee ko nyina do fanan jan 367 new employees kutamal wala la fa from police to sanitation to office staffs 367 umaten na salary mes hankele kele west coast dole fanja kono scholarship o jota bi fuare jalla dingo beta kam bi kedo na yanku bala office do kay ko kay taman karte fayda kay lokko man jam faje melon fa kay man karte fa kay bal kay yokule kente kay ndamal telefon sina nga foy akay ndaman karam ko do tembul mo fuare wolti telen kebaran ko do kay baden dingo yewol tay university diala akay woto ite entela life le safe akay because now dingo ni won jita karam moto at least ndata da turu men la karam bale ya men lan kan fuare ya ni sasa ni keba keba fuare akay bebe dingo be kanalo ko non alko biyal kajila wala so alla fo wala tinya wala ko kada nyinto bankrupt am brote scholarship ora jono la wo develop no muso la boholo tamello fonni wulo ko tan blada wolte keno la wala fana ta fara danje alla akala fo so yanko bala ko diminat na alla fa biskos be tinya bada sai ala mawke ala fana to kala batul mo nuru wolete al kafiro lati altul nak ala moti altul nanata sila al kajel al ka sawaka lo mo sanaw. You guys are very dirty people. Manke mo kendati ala de kayro kelale. Adam bro fisia baratul hanin people la bahu ngel fitara to kafiro. Baratul bahu na manasi aka financial ruin dua KMC BSC or any other council. The worst of BSC astagfirullah MP wala fitara to. Ndoko nato ben particular we are brothers. Ngando la karam woljo. Mune jawa yang fitala son mo kono to this point. Yang gue mereka dulu. Sirifo son gue mereka dulu. Namen kenyi nyan man. Sirifo ya to badu jala sirifo ko be ka to lenja. Mune ngani ya sifa futata in level. But say, let's examine that. Kajibari kata wala from kata in someone be. Ila nyum fani ya fo. I just gave you a background. Wala na kata ni met. Background ngolo fale. Kala mind prepare. Puru membi na kila ja. Pura la understand ila nying. Mene nying. Ila nying story. Mene mindset ya apre. I don't know bang. Mene mindset ya sama. So ngolo be lalete. Ila insecurities. Ito fi yankuba na ay expose. Yankube la doku ay to lan kenamale. Ay fundi dunia nyakoto. Ye patio me nene no baso ni me nene no kefan ka jambo balti yara fa wonte fenti. Pati start seeing. Okay, yara fa nyelam dokulalti. Gambia be start see kanyu nyelam dokulalti. Bika fo dala, bika parang nekta ba dum defala je nya class dumba jesna koy dun jare be pitte kata kala be tongere ke mansa dimba be chapa chapa be murle bunda le be fangale fenti mankementi so manya ko la ni yar wang fi tus dara tus do dara so sita yala ni so yala ni fo liberal times ma talibe so bulun don ka ni be ka fa bari alwan to nyaa so yo ke control ye julo la ta wala nan ko mbeni opportunities la ke to karandi ka gambino lo karandi ato mi mel la moyo la nga nyoso hakilo la nsi karanjang bare min ka duwale alma man so kunna e bulam buloko ni man so kunna bulatan buloko no alni ni situation civil be jillale again and again public finance institutional finance man so kunda ka tama nyami institutional ka tama nyami company bal ka tama nyami woni comme su kodo la karola e kon dole julo la ta tol man juluta mo e tole troko sanjane meto la trox itolli la troko sa nyami bolo folo discourse ngana tol ta fo nga sa nyami bari la fansa mbalo troko woni e ko mbali troko fine may wala ne lo karambalo ni karambalo men kan ko premature kemo to wuro la fa ajib bank tolni ajib bank hani la kan to nga soran ajib bank la account men fo be BAC ajib bank mama jala bank nga soron gos ko en ko la tan na chama no lulu akal na account do jibe ajib bank ala computer kono sa jibe ni naka dum ajib ni naka finde ajib asaje ngo bankul be safela ko birin na kuto ko en to tala sin jang chama be steri account be tikita kala ko ni bala kudo pasa pasa la bakaje ko bankol ko nal man access din na chama la kala bankol account jibe bala banko soron ya kotobo men one of the company mini kotobo one of the banks wala Egypt ni soron bank do fa nga do fa soron je super soron ñon ñun do so golbe nga bara do soron ta but for different reasons so tolni agreement rakula bari ke mo bure jana ala fenkete karamo la ma fa ko ha aji bank ko lo jote nin tan bo ta tela fahamro man futa man karan man fofo long na la safero be betiñari bari yate fali ma bule jate wura fam rek ita correct la ya bule ya ba fantiñala so ate man fahamro ka ta miran to le kudo ta aji bank to ni aji bank man pronso ni man fenso tan se men ñokono ntol 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 nga tendalake birin sorata troko la any council wo ke mo ko ha jole trop wol fosta ite council ma jang men tambali to ko la fanya ba ni de be kende yaran kay council ma tambali to ko la hani base ite council e wala tambali to ko la jara in anywhere on the call that's your mandate so you just itala fole yake doesn't mean konta manana ni te fana jani te ke mi si fana la trop so before ita to fanya ba ta ko wolen standard do wana trop ko sanne mba fula ngam be nga sanyame prali ali yalo on stand ni kake nyame itol bitol beta sanna itol mang tendake so ñibe man sakunda ñibe ndila sifat ñibe fen sanna ibu katara ya di mo kilin you understand you do what you call tender kala re pala do kan men be interest la yo karam yo men be interest la company men be la fla kana ni supply ke ya apply dol yalo ki ngal wala noma nga ke tender let open tender company wora wala nga wala nada be ko lafta e ñoo saba dani sirfo son ko bebe sirwo committee kono le ka fele contract committee ñela letro yele le ñela proposal o jibe price ol man si fa grata ñen ko ñendo kon taba grata ñendo kon taba ñenda jola ñendo kon taba ñenda supply la ñendo ko ñu brand carry la ñendo ko tuira ñendo ko nisan example rek price ol and then tolla specification la famen ya bi efo tanin na nga tenten espace moto wala winter because of qualification on and then was the most respondent kam benjini atele asoto jama ba position na ke wanyama ñendo jolanta atana rewi so ndona kala fairly birin talibala balito faja la fo nyes nya killing atol men bi lamuro fa nane amule ko tenda ketele company kare wala yo saba kare winda al mansur tapale ya kola ay bandiya kay luwati nya ke ndu wona ra fendi commission do birin patri ni mama jajje jangi danjola okay mina wafando ndol nga tendele espace moto winda biri winda presso keta ko nyela presso de ni négocier de ke sere fo belen yo sabo nya sabo funga ngabara do tala mo almost 1 million pour tala mo sai ko ko sa okay ala nyin fela so bari nyin mba jola la sinya saba jo nya saba mo kala 3 month 3 3 payments million kemelam anin fula ngamara so mba break down into 3 payments some follow nga nyinde ala next year nga nyinde ala sangi saba nga nyinde ala simple wonin julo man killing bank loan bank julo ni ota e ka munela kan wala e ka fole e fanko busun down interest you have to accrue interest every month every year then 10%, 5%, 6%, whatever. We never took any loan. Min falo lu wura jana kontre loan lata. Kana londo ta ka londo jo. Fali yani kala mata bani wuri ya fo ba. Boy boda malaja. Tol manjuluta nda bijel. It's on record. Mohamed Jabi jana fa mankala ala fa dara jana ala director fa ko ati fa ngi hen no fa jimla mal be hen nga nanyin trokol ni nanyin excavator ni fo be so package ngono 100 million kaye ko ntol ba jola ko nyime mano ya frige manta jola one time d'accord wala sam fula ko do diala so nganyila lan man ka julude de ma interest to ndu hanna tara dola selata wala fendo ketata wala kumi ko falenta tanen tol hajiji nganyila fo yembe ina jola d'accord ko ha contrat ko send juluten na julo wala ta banque ta juluta je tanen tan be interest la fara so bari nyaaji be um sanfulo ñing ngala naga million tan sabane saba nga diala sanfulo ñoo nakala million tan sabane sabalti wala second wala ñenante ajal ko fana ngamala nga do jole ngama nga almost for 15 or 10 something jole you understand so atati for 20 something ha wal traje so jalen so ba ñanda ka jo nga ba tan training na be jolal ni lafta bari membi je kula ka tama kula ka doko ngani wala ka doko ke always chairman ani BSc bari kaman kola interest ndol ko la jibe wato wato membe bari kama aransela membe gambe dul aransela ndol muna de via an institution sangi lulu komando ni tala eco bankia ani eco bank iko ko BSc ko eco bank wal tendera si juloti na eco bank wala na mantasi dol account fa ja la account bening overdraft ka fante ngante ngi fo nyala mat sangi saba ko sangi na command tri foso ko jamano inyate malan ko kota eco bank fa han tendeles juloti ka ni dano in fact dol account be ka tan regle do se ngi do ke ni overdraft ni na ka dulo ko so ngam fam bondo kono ngam fam bondi fo sayim futana place nyala mat wa melen tang wala jo folo nyina sa jodo nak bari eco bank bi bu ñaani respect ko yosoto birka american sule kan ya jele yankuba e menke kabranata BSc e menke kabranata ngam fam bondo jihado kono ngam fam bondo judina kono ngam fan topoto ngam account betandi eco bank ya jele ko do men ka dum sayin to account kono sango kono million keme ke molla mombe julu don tolo no overdraft wala sabe million keme woto say wo wala ketam molati son tol munete tol wiya an institution man sakunda mun wala man institutional ani man sakunda la ni branch on ni company ba ni wala julol ta wala do ko la transactional ila tanin nal ka men ke finance la karola tay ibuka tara nyin joli joli julo ko ne e fonta bi ya jo sandi kirim place ba non non it's too much but même bulo ko non ko so mo man soto na credibility man sembo so ba ko nyama data ngota ni expansion di loke na ba nyama no you should have nyanta no fana na financial system mo so me lan ko so farfa no fanga kani sanyi ino fanga yana sa me do mande banko ka tamate ne institution ka tamate ne and municipality fana ka tamate ne they do long term loans the juro ta ya spread 5 years 7 years 10 years a juro kane batandi boddu ku jama ka siyebulo so birin be jora men jora la e ko bank yalon ko nyimbe kirene ye mo jibe ye ko look there's a better way ndolde de ndromanta eco bank lan tol jibe ko atula nyi account e betari ale million kemo lo dundu jang min sa million kemo lo dundu jang alla account e correctly sanji saba sang mo buga do yeb ko do ko la jang tenente sa mana bital ba fambula mohammed jabulu 33 million every year asembo watala do ko be serato bulu anyanda ko do kala dam wala siata kala ko do be tight to one place kadi amen kan ta jona la sen ngajo simple nyina fana ba jona min left para ko sa janda be nyimbe kala sa mbado nga sa bardo fana sa albe bunya parasol ato fana ya deserve to enjoy financial freedom financial ability to do things na dokulo simma like I said sangi na ko man tala ko bay ko han tan dala so BSc ka fe hey ta si atol fe dala julo balal mo jona ka fe dala nyadi alla do alla overdraft la ja ka tula ko sign tol be 100 something million ka dun se sa on ika je they are one of our biggest account holders come on because say janda ben kala say ngani to sal fanke nga julo di alla men keta alning expert mo membe je o julo na nga moñi ñana na ha fo ñi whatever o next year full ni next wala nyata last year so benyi nan tata la ngani next year nga lomp nyoka nga refinance ntol nga Ecobank nga espace jo nga mameja na la company jo espace moto jo al niye bo nyobulu itela hajola itela business la ifanele la kuola ila kodo soto sign nte Ecobank anite ntol now we have a normal banking relationship bari nto fana ngo deserve sign as an institution monkey banditi monkey just any other boy we are a whole institution called the Brikama Area Council from Kalaji to Bigilo millions and millions of dollars will be at disposal manta lado chairman system o da nyami sa stable tale hani falo na sai kodo te tinyala system o paretale hani mo bra ye min na chairman no to amari si fu nyawnya ndilo be jola because the system is already working chairman ye menke DAC atol ma understand gambe balo understand in the future ay cultural falling ay miranyala falling ay ado falling sa hani finkinde ya fa BACB e kay si jang aba zero ñinen leadership ya tamande ñi boda je ko mo ay trakorke so Ecobank na ñina fo mo sayin tol be ñinen julo jola la tol lañu fonko sayin sawo sawo to mon ka million tan sabani saban ko lo jo sayin ni nga ñin julo di atola jonga espace jo atonen do temo sanji lulu ngalla julo ñi nga stretch 5 years instead of 3 years or 2 years we stretch it to 5 years in fact ñin banko del famo wala ñi comme like high level banks même fonko le basa about 10 years yes about 10 years so every year we pay 5 but saying I come 5 years sango sang the million tambolo jola 5 years million tang 10 million for julay ba ada espace wala la kudo so wala la jola eco bank wala ntol wala ajo sa entoni eco bank temo loni board so ñu UMC falon itol ko ntole julol ta eco bank bulu safala espace moto bulu agi bank bari ni aje kanyi aji bank ko mina fala mana nek aji bank itole ta ke nyami mina fala rolo so jani nga fala sa mar ngan ta complete say ni 10 million o wala ke wala bek say mbekalo jol every month every year ñin tubabu de lam in mortgage terms ka fane refinancing aka ke tubabu de wadu wadu ika mo jela bon sang tubabu du America wala UK ko dasan asan lese dollar wir keme lulu bari bira ba sala wotum wotam wala ala first time private ko dasa wotum wala credit ko comme ala banka jibe nyamin man strong back daba daba ka ko do digale ka no problem be tesla ala dan payment dundi e ko dadi ala ka jodo man dama bala la interest rate men di ala maybe ba high la do man because let's say 6% 7% man natra normal interest rate is like 2 3 but at 6 6 7 di ala because of wotumo ala ko man koy back sorry aja wotumo ala ko man koy back no so after 3 4 years ala credit ko na start ka better saja sala do ko berata ay do kudo soto ala salary la fata kudo start kana ajal ala ko be korekere be ala muso furu ala muso fana kudo kana fat fari la kudo ila finance status na de better sai hajal hotuma ko do ko jala la madonna ni restaurant do ko sabe office do ko la na nek tayo akala bonjo on time and manam fail 2 3 years aba joga on tough every month akala muga jo anana ko default banko ko bu fa de aba kata kam bakil de sala do ko sera sala de seta aba ko default mo kendolam ala ko senata sai nada ko bank lafta na ko da lafa murla back to the market lafa ka refinance ko tanke sai be dikirim fanal I'm not the booba of 3 years ago working at a restaurant sai mun nek ta tilti mbedo ko la big company sai ngana ko da mur back to the bank same ko da again ruma na lol mu 6% de ngata ko sai to ko bitari mbake sai kan mashallah sai kan mom sai mu alfa di la ko bitari kan ngata ngi man ka risk anymore sai la interest rate mba jinda from 6% to 3% ne comme le c'est woto mon ka 2500 ko jo per month say na monthly payment immediately say jita to $2,000 per month $2,000 per month na $500 save the same bungolam but until different
So it's the same BAC, many Mohamed Jake, astafla espace motoke, sanje killing ko commando, but saying bank nyakoro, eco bank nyakoro, told mu modur kotange, manko the same BAC, 3,000 BAC. This is Yankubala BSC with money, with hundreds of $1,000,000 is coming every year, 200 million, 300 million, 150 million, bina, mola julutenna, fentenna, kubest, banko ko sayato. You are the guy now. Latala, eko sal nanga nyindi yalla. Kala do ko sonandal bulu. Gon to faranga deserve say, mbanya nga enjoy. So say, nini lon taraturu. So bila kira, Pri apropos chairman ya present ma fa na alen ketan ala sen comme do talo kamen be fon kede fay non ay mobile commandi councilor from Kalaji to Bijilo akwara si ala nyikata nyi ko opportunity nata ala ko nyaadi councilor ko be dan doltal bari sign sango sang urumon ka million tan saban ko lojo sign from 33 million sign we are paying 10 million, which means sign every year you have $23 million extra in your pocket. It's be used now for other development projects. Still, ibela julo joka espace. Ila mota julo sanji lulu ebo joka. Problem tala. They are running fine. They are okay. They are bringing in money. Ibela moto finance kang sanji lulu nye ebo joka 10 million. So 23 katare kota sign isi mem pasar yere nyame. So eko 23 nye ko ha say you know what? Bada nyin troko fo nyambali trokol. Say ngelem aka cost de la $6 million dollars ma fon. Okay? Sign. You 23 million in sign. Ninga sort of phone. Instead of paying 33, sign ka tender marajo. So I have a balance of 23 million my line from one. So I have extra money sitting in my pocket. 23 million. Go say okay. 23 sign, let me buy two new Mbali trucks. 12 million. Kodi? Ha, 12 million. More minus jam. I have a balance of almost $9 million available still. With after buying 2 new Mbali trucks. So let's say in 5 years, I keep buying 2 Mbali trucks every year. In 5 years, I've bought 10 Mbali trucks. New Mbali trucks in 5 years. After a 9 years, Hansa and Bo Joka month default 10 million. What is $10 million? That's not it. Umuna looking for la corridor nothing $10 million. You understand? Say nka extra kudam sura blokana fela nga truck tank sankotange every year 2. So by the time they be loan njola nanyin 5 truck all memembulu nga truck tank sana say I can have 15 trucks. So we use the financial system to come out better, have more money in our pocket. West Coast people getting 2 new Mbali trucks. I'm just giving an example. We could spend it on something else. We could say, well, you know what, we want to do extra boreholes. That 20 million, Lafaka, another from let's say Silo, feeder road somewhere. So we have $23 million extra at our disposal that could have gone to, understand, Espace Motor and everything. Now is under us. So we stretch our finances, our payment terms, because the bank can trust us. The bank knows, even if Yankuba is gone, there's going to be a system in place that will ensure the money is getting paid, ensuring the money is coming, ensuring the loopholes are cut off, revenue leakages will be cut off, system of Benyami sign with the thresholds and everything. Nobody's going to come sign checks at the end of Benyami. You need to check on sign, you need to check on your like banko be around sign, you never carry. So, Sunyaro bunda, you know, threshold be carrying, cool be carrying. So the bank knows this because everything, Nanyan bank resolution and Kavili Bepa, Nanyan bank knows what's going on. They know. They are not stupid. So this has actually helped Kansun, helped the people of West Coast, not that true. Hopefully it will go through, we hope. But Hana that true for them to obligation on both fulfilled, and they will see that. So they keep saying default. Nobody defaulted. We are still in the calendar year. We can choose to pay 5 million. We can choose to pay 10 million and wait until the last day of the year and pay the entire money. That's up to us. Contractually, Nick Espas and sign, you can go. But Muhammad it's very simple. Go and get the document from Muhammad and say, yes, have they defaulted or not? Because when you use the word default, maybe I don't think Karamo understand the word default. I don't think so. I don't think he in the Ibarasino like that the guy when default Mama sa define into words. Maybe sometimes they just use these words. So default wala miyemo e contract ko sani kay benjo la nyingi lunkare la. Amajo wala default. Pari kay ko nyi sankare e benjo la nyinga sa on ban follow nga million tan do already. Another millions been akotank. Understand? Janin so bank will pay you. But down to some bank ita follow ko nyimang nyin default. This is the linguistic problem that they are dealing with. Either man karana wala man language understand or be fania fo kensa wala ila tamen. But in jamana konon tol te mode ka fania man nakora. We don't allow kasika no. Msa for me be malo. I can excuse you that you don't know the meaning of the word default. So number one, man default. Number two, we didn't take any loan from Agib. So the reason why they keep using the word Agib, now let's go back to that. Let's follow. Now they can Agib. So it all, compared to us, it all, bring an atrogolta, okay, siasa bambajo la wala. Na 33 million landa the following year wala nyinandi benando 30 jola the following year nando 34 naka jabanda it all nunga fala fana tonganda tender nga mol ko man ko alna you invited the tender correct in a transparency company woro wala apply kilina succita it all moti jamen sa fo nga mole ko be tender na sita tak ya dina friend la Mohamed Dia sita ko Mohamed Dia company jela tender mo makala mo moy ya dila Mohamed Dia contrat ko ni sai problème dame Mohamed Dia finance through minto ala bank wala Agib bank aja Agib bank wala na kemo be stocking with Agib thing so at night any truck there from Mohamed Dia ata kamera Agib bank la ko do wala Agib bank lo finance no ndoni Agib man professeur Mohamed Dia la tiala truck so nyami ndola haji to ndolning espace la be do wala espace ngay ni lunkare mbejo la ni lunkare mbejo la da set malonta there's no interest at all it will tata bank Agib bank la facilité lo yo le fanke it will ya sawol bri okay according to the commission birin tol benna trokol tal ko nga fa nyami tol sam folo ni nga bilon tan sabal wala jo itol amala 25% 20% no 20% amala inyanda ko lo jono wala down payment wala munti ni be nyen julis va la julis si va jamaani e ka fenden dundile e buka na burken son bari mbe ko la yama alcohol wala na me mela ko da mbe online so you pay what down payment let's say ni million kemelam e be million moang jolale yow dundi we a commencer down payment ibala sign julom betle ko na bela 80% nati million tanse isu domando ma yo jo within whatever time ya pariable yo kulo garamente kulo ina da wanyar min do kulo mo molonde 2017 2018 2019 2022 2020 for 2023 for 2026 commission auto kulo ina da wanyar woldo yara fanyin KMC la ñu jamba be nekta dumbani dasia ba be ni anin ndele standard sajana ngapati kirikram the truth of the matter na recommend no don't share the contract document yet please wala fana binara contract document mudaje because I mean it's plain public document anyway they can even see it it's okay so it all bitakela nje kem karamuka rin sakere ni agi akontol agi bank so bitol be lentala wado sita pour ka contrat ko nyin ka start ye nyin ka mun wala la down payment wala mundi e ka ko do fulamin dundi 20% time o sita pour wojo ina dasia be fancy sikando tenkane nyin tiki taka be KMC ni na ñun halis guess what biring wo time o sita down payment o sita e sapere ko kodote bulu KMC ko na fulo te bulu ila kodo fulo ndolla kodo fulo million tan sabani sama wala le plateau ga janimbe contrat ko sen itol itol 20% down payment nyanta men dulla yebara for last minute yela ko korasi ko kodoti je bawdu mon tol bi jambi ko sala tale mu ngi liggéey mu ngi change west coast mu ngi change nakasa BSC astafurlah KMC moni mo endele abe smile la pen paran ndo ko atalande smart guy de funketen the finance guy ya be parande go swokal funketen pop corruption o param ya be ya rafa ñin ko di ñin bul ñi lay kemi wara ñaminte e mangin 20% o jono yetade in trokolta ma meje trokol dila regardless itol be trokolta lu menna 100% julo wol be trokolna ntola trokol bina lu menna 33% ngolu jo already of our debt. These are completely different scenarios. Being ito lang yung kata sama na or be ebe wanyar la. Lu nyente fo is not a big secret karamba fala na ko yung bradame. Lumina ntola troko bulan bloko no. Julo nyin na 33% o jota lo wari. Ito lumina troko bulan to bloko no transform man jojulo follow. They are 100% debt rate. You know how I know this? Como nga fanya be la tapali ani fania. E be ka fen fo correct. E mo be nyaaw ko sa banko be nyaaw ko. Ala commissioner nada e Mohamed Dia sama commissioner mana na Mohamed Dia sama commissioner nyen trokwo mana na sama trokwo la ko do ka jono trokwo e batari hansan trokwo man jono trokwo be tinyari fuel be fakan maintenance be jahase kan ko be jahase de blokon so commissioner ngo trokwo nyen tinyaro kede e Mohamed Dia kumande le mo jan ya nyininka Patrick kay ko ikaye documento le mayitani wala ko ite wala espace moto biral benin contrat ko darala ali d'accord te wala ko nin janning contrat ko be parela ibe 20% le jola mbali troko la ko do nyinto 20% ibolo dun la folo to ko yin sina start akoy bar ko do mayitani jang nyin biri waro sita ya safara de kala ko alim bala le kodo tembul ikay bayta Mohamed Jakilo itel na rason ikoy ko ha hansay ibenin dilo kala even though kodo tembul to pay the 20% manya na kala el wala ti nyamata itapale ala kiwor birim Patrick Mohamed Nyenka alkam mo ko no voice is it still clear? Okay. Patrick Mohamed Nyenka wala akay munatina isonta nyine nyin troko contrat ko sa and transfer ma dunde and they should put 20%. Make it about 20 million ma fon nyin troko dundu as a down payment so that they are serious and they are ready financially to undertake this kind of loan. Mohamed Sida Sira Kanoto. Ako Patrick ko kay ko ha wow yeah they came to me they said they didn't have the money. But me sate bedu nyokono ye motobal pajana ye saha bala ko to jena ya be branjana prim para be tiki takala wolu mo nyimmen ko 2018 ko 2019 be nyin troko bina moy tulo ka ko en lake anala 20% nyama nyin jode nyin moto bina kana fam man jofolo itininte anybody would have said e man ken ya abale wala nga dula nga anyan ba fele anyan tele mala fala kayrola e bono fole ala fania sembo frère levelot mo be nyaaku sa de be chaw itela 20% pour ko troko fo start ima marsoto imamalu ako Mohamed Dia ko sa fela ka ko ha ko doti so yeah they couldn't pay ida dale wala dilo tinya bar BSC ndol mo soro ndol yendo nyine kala ngajo ko bilan tan sama den saba ngajo fosia atol nyininka ala down payment la 20% ntol 33% wala jo atol 20 almajo so Mohamed Dia ko biri nyininka electro safai ako electro safai ka manene pour ha ay bala ko nyinta mane ba jo la tenen temprim param Mohamed Dia fane luatinya wala Mohamed Dia si commissioner so Patrick nya di la kay so mona yete bo kala why would you do that Mohamed Dia knowing ko ikamen kete is wrong you're putting KMC in a financial hole. It's a very, very risky financial hole. Nyima fa mana kuno. Nyima 20% keno. Saya muna ya itina kunyinsi njulo jono. That was risk factor. If you cannot be responsible enough to even pay 20% of your phone calls, why should I trust you? Could even tell 100% about dollar. This is the logic behind the finances, that financial decision. So, but Mohamed Jai, Commissioner Jai, Patrick, Mohamed Jai, it's my money. Hey, Patrick, no. Yalla ko Mohamed Jai fana karambala jai. Tabe nguro ta fana ko tijew. Kadu jere karana ite ko do dialo. Ite ko espace moto la ñing so ela ke kay ko ali la mo jande ñin yalla ñim mo na la ñim mo long albe jitu lelal ñin te fent ite ko je mo la kiusal ite ko ite big businessman ikasi ka fa ha is my money Patrick Yarimana kay hello Mr. Ja kay that's a wrong answer akay because it's not your money. You didn't go and sign me Mohamed Ja and KMC signing a contract for this amount of vehicles. That didn't happen. What happened was Espas Motors. Wale contract was signed with KMC, not Mohamed Ja. Okay, so remove yourself out of this. Because you as an individual is not what's doing business with KMC. It's Espas Motors as an institution, as a company, bound by board of directors, financial managers, leadership structures, we're learning KMC with Dokola. So you see how Gambia this is how low and empty their brains are. And in fair mola. Patri jaga fa hais my money. Aka ko jay patri. Patri kaka ñim ko la ñim ko jay man ta jay man ta sama na place. Ndeka man fa very simple. Luar karola ni ñentala don ka down payment ke 20% o ka ke janna ñin trokolta. Ay sefero ke ko do ta bulu KMC ko do te bulu ka ñin 20% o jo bili be ñin trokolta. Mali baleale bula troktato. Faitan dole bula troktato. Kulom balea wala bula troktato. Ato dan payment of table. They came sinko bula masi bokono. By the bill of Diam. They want to talk about May Kuno, Menkaranda, May Sandestet. Fine. Ndol we followed common international standards of doing business in such a system. Ningan korotem bulno, nditanka fambula problem kono. But we prove ko we could do it wala na espace mamaja manto yabde. Hani mamaja manto yab. Hana la staff la ka foyen. Ako BAC ni ko embe ngele ka kila ko ni ko embe lungta embe jola ka jola. Bara sadadan la minna rega ko ko atembulo sadadan la talib de sudan la crew wolle dani e ko na down payment ni nyanta men jola atembulo mbalali e ko yes Patrick ya nyinin ka wala Mohamed Ja ala faka kala de aja ka ko ndala ko do kay la ko do tende la ko do ay wonde kay nyum espace la ko doti espace la business so you cannot just come sit here in my chair and Africa is my money because you did something is anti-business. So manana Mohamed Ja out of what? Nepotism. Fasaro. That's it. But under any other circumstances, let's say BSc lokino bafalamba. Listen. So la bintu tawul dan roma hani yabati fo bala webala nati manga ko do yalla kapaj. Espace modo ngam baga solta. Say we engineer this new financial system. We hope I that through by the bank for our request. I just we deserve it to have a system where we can consolidate our payments into a loan. Bank we at a job, espace, I'll go on time, at Fana Favola, instead of waiting for another 1 year, I'll go to say a basis or another Kubunya Bulutoni Bank Adinola. Everybody wins. Win-win situation. But you can't believe the fault at all that. In Abayala. Moment ko jida great do manala great lay to fere fon sono ajal e do ta do ko jolo ni mo kalanta sifal ke mo sifal ato sefal of karam wala man wala wuro kande ani ñinde de sunkuru ni furo man ko may bul bané mara fo ñoko si nawet ci la 50 million jël loan defee beneen loan. What is loan? There was never a loan between us and Mohammed and Espas Moto, and there's never a loan with us and Agib Bank. In fact, Agib Bank, we closed their bank account. Financial transaction ATM. We passed a council resolution to close the account. Name what we don't have anything to do with them. So this is the reality. Kumanako magana ngani leral molia. Pour more understand how finance works, how you can use your brain to get best deals out of certain situations. If a marquee, and you take advantage of banking capabilities in your country. Why are banks here for? Bank manager. Bank will never sign Gambia. This is it. Real business people will get a bank. They don't even put their businessman kendo. Ala kodo abaga use for business. You let your bank credibility work for you. You smart. You tell barakata kenda ke business kon. Ibikela cash bondi ko takata. No. Bank la kadugo kete. You leverage your bank. Use their money, make money, pay them, and you increase your wealth. So that's what we did. We took our liability, turned it into an asset, made money out of it, kept more money for us. Mohammed is satisfied. The banks are satisfied with their interest. We are satisfied. We have extra $23 million left in our accounts every year. For 5 years, we can buy 2 more trucks per year, increase our fleet while still paying our debt, not defaulting, increasing our asset base. If we want to do buy 2 trucks per year, we can end up getting 10 trucks after 5 years. That's almost adding 60% more to our fleet. Our asset base has risen just by one transaction. But talib na la bosol talib fo man karang kalamuda ndino wol ma fo me kiring direct ni kandiba dini wala karaba la dini wala understand stuff I don't want to make any fun stuff in the school, but yeah, so these are the kind of people, low quality people. Mo ngani jawol nanko they just want doom and gloom for BAC ala na expose nyala nyin topico ite nyimala kan ni man topico manu bi atol angal talo non ko bida be nyin troko tala before Mohammed Jah 120% down payment ama kina fire barakotela. They have to beg Mohammed Jah to help them. Al na mana nyilon no commission ya fay la bare mo nyama commission la moy ajala so manje biya lan kina mata ila expose of anang that they have been in council for how many years. They never get nakasa ward developments, scholarships, none of that stuff. All this exposure be in manjane fambula lembe kono be. Maje be saying we are ntana mana singonga be seen in the compianke la paradoka. But saying be wala keta by la fall eco standards. So we dealt with standards. We realized what the standards it can recommend for is garbage. That's not the standard I want to keep. That's not the standard I want to keep. Standard me I'm going down payment. Common business principle down payment. You cannot do it. And you still want to act braggadocious as until you talk about it, until you get a so I'm very for down payment at phone. Well, an answer be second Julola, it's not Julul Bela, 4 Bela Jahas in I don't want to go into all the details because the people of KMC don't deserve that. They don't. But it's going to be. Because of their incompetency, it's not going to come and say, well, I call leadership, well, I have to badu, ebe tikita kara jalan telan kara di kumba phone no nene rek mo nene ila masihana na muso hane be sin tumbo kono ajila what have you done? Mola koro dila. Let people see themselves in their money. What development of D, like scholarship will D, for all D. You can't. Yeah, you're gonna go bankrupt. You don't have the plan for it. You don't have the structure for it. See? So yeah, eco standard. Let's hope we all know who the standard, flag bearer is now. May standard is set. How will clear that say when it comes to scholarship, when it comes to basic human development, medical care, World Development Funds, money back to the people. Yeah. What is the standard? Which standard do you want to follow? Standard of do nothing, no scholarships, nothing. Kamoji Wanyamating for 5-7 years, no world development, everybody just mobile gibe. Or as example that works. Go to phone you today. You can see everything. Anyway, so let me come and deal with the solution in a broader scale. From a technical point of view, can I break down to the smallest details? Hopefully everybody understands now the financial engineering aspect of this whole thing, and then how we are in a better position because of, we are in this position because the banks trust us. The banks trust us because we did something. We improved our financial situation over the past 3 years from basically in debt all the time, taking loans from people like Jawel to a financial viability state of Manago. Any bank would look at us and like, hey, I want to work with that guy. We didn't force them. They came to us because we are attractive. See? So, there's this lesson behind it that I wanted to desperately come and then put that across. Basically, understand. Yes. On that note, I will take a leave now. I've been here for 2 hours now. It's a long time. So I'll go and have some dinner and then call it a night. All right. Thank you so much. See you another time, another topic, hopefully. Bye-bye.